Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the LED TV is online and stable. Make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet shows connected. Once done, you'll open the Google app, YouTube, or the TV's account section. These expose the Create Account option. You should also have a phone or PC ready because Google often sends a verification code. This speeds setup and secures your new profile. Start now by navigating directly to Accounts or Sign In, and choose Create Account so you don't waste time. Now you'll enter your personal details on the TV screen. Type your name, birth date, and recovery phone or email so you can regain access later. Make sure to pick a username that's available and a strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols to protect the account. Once you submit, Google may require a verification code. Use your phone or computer to retrieve it. After entering the code, read and accept the privacy terms. This finalizes account creation on the TV. Complete the process by signing in on the LED TV and syncing apps or preferences you want enabled. This ensures YouTube, Play services, and cloud features work. Make sure to enable two-step verification for added protection, since TVs can be shared devices. If something goes wrong, try common fixes. Reboot the TV, verify the Wi-Fi network and password, and confirm the verification code wasn't delayed. If issues persist, re-attempt account creation from a phone or computer, and then sign in to the TV.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.